What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be transforming my Subaru Impreza 2016. I'll show you guys what I mean. So what I mean by transforming is, basically making the car look cooler. It does look cool already as it is with some of the black accents, but we're going to continue that and we're going to go ahead and do it better. So we're going to be using some Plasti Dip or some rubber paint kind of thing, and we're going to be touching up some of the accents here. We're going to redoing the spoiler along with the shark fin, and we're going to kind of do all the chrome pieces, which is something I've always wanted to do. So we're going to do the door handles, we're going to do the chrome trim along the doors, and the chrome up in the front. So it looks sort of aggressive now, but with black I think it'll spice it up even better, make it look even more aggressive, because yeah, it's missing that. I'm not a huge fan of the chrome. So we're going to be doing essentially the night package, if you will, on the Mercedes models. They have the night package which replaces all the chrome with the dark or black. So yeah, my only concern is that this chrome, there's not a big enough gap between the rubber and down here. So I'm kind of worried that the Plasti Dip's not going to remove as well. And also here the side mirror is kind of in the way of the chrome, so I'm worried we're not going to get some good coverage, but we're going to try our best. And we're going to start off by removing the old Plasti Dip that I had here about 2 years ago. I might have put it on. It's kind of peeling off already down here. That's because I used some adhesive remover, but we're going to go ahead and remove them both. So yeah, let's go start the video. Man, this is giving me some hard time here. I thought it'd be easier with the Plasti Dip. I remember when I did it all the way back in the beginning. Maybe it was almost 3 years ago when I put this on. I put a bunch of layers on, maybe 9. I don't know, 9 sounds too much, but I know I did a lot, and this shouldn't be happening with all this. So I might just go with it, maybe take it down with some isopropyl alcohol, or even go with the Goo Gone. Maybe that'll work better. But yeah, this is all I got so far, and I'm here 20 minutes in, and it's taken much longer than I thought, so we're gonna speed it up. So this is how your towel is gonna look after trying to take off that Plasti Dip with some Goo Gone. But here's the Goo Gone. And here's the final product now. It looks stock white, boring white, which is why I wanna make it black again. But yeah, it's kind of when you're using the Goo Gone, it's smearing paint all over, and you're gonna make your whole towel black. So just be prepared for that. Now I'm gonna just clean it up, and hopefully that shark fin has a better outcome. But that's all I gotta do left, and then after that we can start with the paint or the Plasti Dip. Who knows? What's up YouTube? So a few hours later, we got the car prepped and painted. I'm two layers in, and I'm going to show you guys up close. Alright, so a lot of prep went into, so I don't get overspray on the car. I use my old school notes, if you guys were wondering. But yeah, so what we got here is we got, so far, 2 layers in. The chrome is covered pretty good. Right here as well. And we got that one's 2. Make sure you protect your mirrors. There's tape everywhere, stuff like that. I used a whole roll of tape, and look at this chrome right in the front. It's looking pretty mean already, so I'm looking forward to it. Here's what I'm using: Rust-Oleum vinyl wrap. In between drying, I wipe off the top, the nozzle, with alcohol, just so I can get some nice even sprays for the next layer. Yeah, look at that side. And same thing here. Nice coverage over here and here. I put a little tape inside the keyhole. You don't want to get anything in there. Along there. Even the shark fin. Almost forgot about that a couple times. And spoiler, and the rear chrome piece is looking nice. So yeah, make sure you cover up the camera along with the lights and the button there, the trunk release button. So yeah, I'm probably gonna finish this the rest of the night. I'll take some of the paper and tape off, and then I'll finish in the morning because it is getting pretty dark. It's 7:30 right now. So maybe 3 more layers and I'll show you guys the finished product. Another point I wanted to mention was for the first 2 coats, you want to go pretty light with the Plasti Dip. And then after that, 3rd and beyond, you can start going heavy. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. It's okay if you start seeing some runs in the beginning. Your other layers will just cover that. So yeah, this is 3rd layer in. Looking good. The can's almost empty, but I'm pretty okay with the outcome here. So we'll just go until the can runs out. What is up, guys? It's the next day here, and I gotta say the Plasti Dip is looking great on the car. You can see it's looking more aggressive with the blacked out chrome right there in the front, and blacked out on the door handles and along the windows, and even on the spoiler in the back where the trunk is, that chrome piece. Yeah, it's looking good. So yeah, if you're interested in pimping out your 2.0i, just black out the chrome pieces. A good idea, a good start to modding your car. And if you enjoy videos like these, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And just like that, AVI out.